Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and we'll get started here in just a moment. I'm going to be installing these car seat covers on my JK Wrangler. Again, thumbs up, subscribe. We'll get started here in a moment. I don't think you need any tools. So first things first, if you have any seat covers on yours, I do. Let me zoom out. I have it on mine. You want to go ahead and obviously take this off, pull the headrest off. To do that, let me go over to this side. Just going to pull this, push this little, let me zoom in for you. Push this button right here on the side. I'm going to like that to put the camera down. So you see how it's already up, going up into the up position. Pull that all the way off. Okay, again, you can push this up, push this in, excuse me. And just try to get the headrest all the way off. Have to maneuver your chair settings a little bit. Alright, there you go. That's off. Now you're going to take your headrest, take that little seat cover right here to the headrest. Actually, let me zoom out. And slide it in like so. Velcro strap like that, and tuck it in. Okay, if you can pull it a little tighter, it'll probably look a little nicer. This is what it'll look like. Okay, now let's get to the seat. Next, you're going to go ahead and take the actual cover. Pay attention to the orientation. So these two holes at the top, this is going to go at that very top of the seat right there, because your headrest, your top headrest goes right here. Okay. If you flip it around, pay attention to this back portion. This right here is going to get tucked into this part down here, and of course this just wraps around the base of the cushion. Okay, so hopefully I'm not in the way, but here we go. It's like putting on a shirt. Okay, so next, you're going to take this little flap right here, try to tuck it down here. But remember, this little long strap is going to wrap under the base of the seat, and it's actually going to connect into this bottom clasp. It's going to go like this. Okay? And then this, you're going to just roll over the cover like that. But again, we have to tuck that little tab in down here. Okay. We'll tuck this tab. Go to the back and pull it through. So let me show you what that tab looks like that I pulled through. So this is that little tail that I told you about. You tuck into that base of that seat in the front, and we're going to pull it through. Because this is going to go under, and again, zoom out. This is going to go under, it's going to connect on that the other end side of that clasp. Let's go back to the front. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this off. This is going to go onto that tail, but let's put it over to the side for now. Let's go ahead and just kind of worm this thing on the base. Oh, there's a loop right here. We're going to put it to this bottom part of the seat. It's like an anchor. Okay, I'm going to give me a few minutes. I'm going to make it look all nice. All right, so this is kind of where we're at right now. I'm going to try to pull it a little bit tighter so it just looks tighter all around. But so far so good. Again, here's the other end of that tail I pulled through, and I'm going to put it onto the other side of this little clip right here, and then adjust it and then pull it tight. This is essentially what it would look like this. And then once you pull it tight enough, you clip it on like that. But let me do the adjustments. Okay, so I got it pretty tight. Let me go ahead and put this back on, and I'll step back and show it to you. Alright, so here's the installed seat cover. It's obviously super easy. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the seats. Everything is pretty much the same process. Very easy DIY. I will tell you the only thing that I wish it would have been different a little bit is I'd like this to all fit a little more snug, but maybe it'll shrink, probably not, but that's pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and I'll see you on the next one. I'll do some clips of a before and after here in a second. So I am back. I just wanted to share with you that I actually installed this seat cover right here. This is for the passenger side. The driver side one is clearly marked seat saver. This is going to be the driver side, so I gotta take this one off and then put this one back on, but I did want to share that with you guys. Thanks. All right, so here's the finished product. Again, it looks pretty good. You know, I'm pretty excited about it. I do wish it pulled a little tighter is all.